our supply lines right here and the shut off. Same thing, this is a gate style. So about every 15 years on those, I recommend replacing. And then the supply line, I recommend replacing those supply lines every 5 years. This is always a live line. So if you're ever on vacation, whatever it may be, always shut your main off because there's nothing telling this line to shut off other than this fill valve up here. So that could cause a major flood. So that's why I always recommend shutting your water off. The next thing we look at is the bottom of the toilets here. Everything looks really, really dry. What I do is I flush the toilets a few times, make sure that there is no leaks coming around it. And what I do is take a piece of toilet paper, fold it, and I just slide it under here all the way around to make sure there's no leaks. And if it does show a leak, that toilet paper will soak it up and it will be right here on the edge of your toilet paper. And as you can see, it's completely dry, there's nothing there. And I do that on both sides of the toilet and the back of the toilet as well to see if there is any leaks. And there's not, completely dry.